Do you know how to create a design on a t-shirt in Photoshop? Just get to your Photoshop ready and let's get started. So now you have your mockup image where you are going to place your design on it. First thing first, you are going to import your design or logo into the document. Now press on Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. Then go to filter, click on blur and go to Gaussian blur. Set the radius to 8.4 and click on OK. Press on Ctrl+S to save the document. Then click on the copied layer and delete it. Place the design on the t-shirt and press on the keyboard Ctrl+T to resize the design that suits you. Now set the designed layer to multiple. Go to filter, distort and click on displace. Set the horizontal and vertical scale to 15 and click on OK. Then it opens the saved document. Click on it and click on open to open into your document again. Now after displacing, click on the layer style and go to blending options. Press on Alt to divide the slider and push it to the left and then click on OK. So this is how to place a design on a t-shirt to look like a mock-up t-shirt. Now if you want to learn more, please click here and learn how to turn a photo to a cartoon. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.